Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is day 2 of 90 day English learning challenge. My name is Kanhaiya Misra. I am from Uttar Pradesh, and in this video I would like to talk about a very simple topic: why English is important. Why I decided I started this challenge. So behind this challenge only I have a one target, only I have a one aim. I realized I realized English is very essential for the daily life, education, and more of the thing for the conversation. And as a student, one more thing I realized: if you want to survive in the engineering field as a good level, as a good post, then you have to learn English and you have to speak English fluently. So English means not speak up fluently, no, not means speak like a foreigner, but only I should have only a knowledge about any sentences, any conversation are able to understand easily. This is a main important for the behind the learning English. But nowadays most of the people, most of the student says, why you want to make a British British like a foreigner? English is why is important? You should give priority your native language. Yes, I agree, but I agree in partially agree, because through the native language only you can communicate over your district, uh, over your state. But if you are going to the outside from your state, yeah, district, then what will you do? But that time you will you should be the learn English to communicate to the other. So that time is very essential English. So that time English is very important. And this time m- this time most of the students are not trying, at least, you know. uh, Apart from the engineering, most of the students then will be try uh, when he get a job, then English will be necessary. Then they will be tried. Basically every in the morning, every in the evening, I will talk over the call. Basically one platform there, just talk. So through the just talk, I will practice to the other person, other people. So there is most of the people comes who are doing job in IT sector, and different type of tech sector. But still they are trying to improve your communication skill, improve your English, because there is English is very important. And nowadays, as a engineering, as a medical line, we must be we should understand why English is important. Basically, if you are able to speak good English as a fluency and confidential, with the confidence, then we can join anywhere. Because already you have a mother language, native language, and other languages also you have English. So till now you have two languages, so everywhere you can survive easily. So through the I know English is not a part of the education. It should be a language. So you cannot say English and communication skills are same. No, both are not same. English just a language, and communication skills just a art. So first, only we should focus on the English, how to speak English, and this type of thing. But nowadays most of the people, they are not trying. So if you are trying to improve yourself, then of course you can join here. And now we are both will be try to improve ourselves. And okay, bye. Tomorrow I will see you in the next video, day 3. So in the day 3 video I will make video on the basis of the daily routine, and what do I do, daily routine, what did I do from the morning to till the evening. So bye, see you. Okay, bye.